Welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of SEO, powered by ChatGPT. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how ChatGPT, an AI language model, can revolutionize your SEO efforts. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the key to ensuring your online presence is not just visible but also impactful. However, traditional SEO strategies can often feel dry and technical. That's where ChatGPT comes in, injecting a much-needed dose of wit and charm into your SEO efforts. But what exactly is ChatGPT, and why should you consider it for your SEO? In this article, we'll talk about the world of ChatGPT, exploring its features, capabilities, and how it can transform the way you approach SEO. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an educational ride through the world of ChatGPT and SEO. What is ChatGPT? Alright, let's break it down in an easy-peasy way. Imagine you have this buddy in the digital world named ChatGPT. It's not a real person, but a super smart computer program cooked up by some genius folks at OpenAI. Now, what makes ChatGPT so awesome? Well, first off, it's like an English language wizard. It understands English like you and me, and it can talk in English too. But here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT can also be funny. Yep, you heard it right. It's got a sense of humor tucked away in its digital brain. So in a nutshell, ChatGPT is your AI sidekick. It's like having a virtual buddy who's witty and always ready to chat. Now, isn't that something you'd want to know more about? Stick around and we'll talk more about fun and magic of ChatGPT in the world of SEO. Why use ChatGPT for SEO? Great question. Let's make it clear and simple. Why should you bother with ChatGPT for your SEO adventures? Well, SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your website pop up when people search for stuff on internet. It's like making sure your store is right at the front of the shopping mall, so everyone sees it first. But here's the twist. SEO can get a bit technical and serious. It's like the serious guy at the party who talks about algorithms and keywords all night long. That's where ChatGPT comes in, like the life of the party, who cracks jokes and keeps everyone laughing. So using ChatGPT for SEO isn't just about climbing up Google ladder. It's about doing it with biggest smile on your face. In this article, we'll show you how ChatGPT can make SEO fun and effective. Alright, now that you are intrigued by the idea of using ChatGPT to jazz up your SEO game, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of getting it started. Before we jump into the fun stuff, you'll need to get a few basics in place. First, make sure you have access to ChatGPT. You can do this by signing up with a platform that offers ChatGPT services. Many of them are user-friendly and don't require you to be a tech wizard. Familiarize yourself with ChatGPT. Next up, get to know your new digital buddy, ChatGPT. Spend some time chatting with it to understand how it responds and what it's capable of. Think of it as getting to know a new friend. You wouldn't jump into deep conversations without some small talk first, right? Define your SEO goals now. Let's talk about your SEO goals. What are you trying to achieve? Are you looking to boost your website visibility, attract some visitors, or maybe just make your content more engaging? Knowing your goals will help you tailor your ChatGPT interactions for maximum impact. Brainstorm topics and keywords. Keywords are like the secret code that helps search engines find your content. With ChatGPT, you can brainstorm a list of topics and keywords that are relevant to your website or business. But here's where the fun begins. ChatGPT can also suggest some unexpected keywords that might just give you an edge. Create a content calendar. Now that you have your topic and keywords, it's time to plan your content. ChatGPT can assist you in creating a content calendar. You can map out what you want to write about and when. Plus, it can help you come up with catchy titles and introductions that will grab your readers' attentions. Injecting humor into your content. One of the coolest things about the ChatGPT is the ability to add humor to your content. It can come up with one-liners, funny words, or even puns that can make your readers smile. Remember, a bit of humor can go a long way in keeping your audience engaged. Collaborate with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a collaborator. You can chat with it while you are working on your content. Need help with a sentence or stuck on a creative block? Just ask ChatGPT and it might surprise you with a hilarious suggestion. Monitor and measure. Lastly, keep an eye on how ChatGPT is impacting your SEO efforts. Are you getting more traffic? Are people spending more time on your website? Use analytics tool to track your progress and see where you can make improvements. In this section of our guide, we'll lay out the groundwork for using ChatGPT in your SEO journey. Now let's move to the exciting part. How ChatGPT can infuse humor into your content and make your SEO strategy not just effective but also enjoyable. The magic of ChatGPT in content creation. Now that we have got the basics down, Let's talk more about enchanting world of content creation with ChatGPT. Get ready to witness how ChatGPT can transform your normal content into a delightful and engaging masterpiece. The art of storytelling. Content creation is not just about stuffing keywords into paragraphs. It's about telling a great story. ChatGPT is a master of storytelling on its own. It can craft narratives that keep your readers hooked from the first sentence to the last, injecting humor. Humor is a secret sauce that can turn a dull piece of content into a viral sensation. With ChatGPT, you can infuse humor effortlessly. It can suggest witty jokes, amusing sentences, and clever wordplay that will leave your audience grinding. Conversational tone. Nobody likes reading content that sounds like a robot wrote it. ChatGPT excels at maintaining a conversational tone. It's like having a friendly chat with your readers, making them feel like they are talking to a body, not a computer. Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT can also offer personalized recommendations to your readers. It can analyze their preferences and suggest products, services, or content that align with their interests. This level of personalization can help engagement and conversions. Crafting catchy headlines. The first thing readers notice is the headline. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm catchy headlines that pique curiosity and compel clicks. From attention-grabbing questions to amazing statements, ChatGPT has a knack for headline creation, tailoring content for your audience. Understanding your audience is a key to creating content that resonates. ChatGPT can analyze data and provide insights into your target's demographics, interests, and preferences. It's like having a market expert with a sense of humor on your team. Real-time collaboration. Imagine having a co-author who is available 24/7 and always ready to contribute ideas. ChatGPT is your virtual writing partner. Whether it's day or night, you can collaborate with it in real time, making content creation a breeze. Transcending language barriers. If you are targeting a global audience, language can be a barrier. ChatGPT is multilingual and can help you create content in multiple languages. It ensures your message reaches a wider audience. SEO-friendly content. Of course, we don't forget about SEO. ChatGPT understands the impact of SEO and can help you optimize your content for search engines. It suggests relevant keywords, meta description, and other SEO essentials, all while keeping the content engaging. Multimedia integration. Modern content isn't just about text. It's also about visual and multimedia. ChatGPT can recommend images, videos, and infographics to complement your content. It's like having a multimedia consultant right at your fingertips. In this section, we've uncovered the magical ways in which ChatGPT can elevate your content creation game. Get ready to turn your website or blog into a hub of engaging, humorous, and amazing content that keep your audience coming back for more. The journey with ChatGPT in the realm of content creation has just begun, and the possibilities are endless. ChatGPT's role in keyword research. Keywords are the breadcrumb that lead your audience to your digital doorstep. In this section, we'll explore how ChatGPT takes the hassle out of the keyword research and adds a touch of creativity to the process. Understanding keywords before we dive into the magic of ChatGPT. Let's make sure we are on the same page about keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines when looking for something. They are like clues that can lead you to treasure, except in this case, treasure is website traffic. Brainstorming keywords. One of the challenges of SEO is coming up with right keywords. But with ChatGPT by your side, brainstorming becomes a breeze. You can simply describe your business or content, and ChatGPT will generate a list of relevant keywords. It's like having a keyword brainstorming session with a creative friend. Unearthing hidden gems. ChatGPT has a knack for uncovering hidden keyword gems. It can suggest long-tail keywords, which are longer, more specific phrases that often have less competition. These gems can give you a competitive edge and attract a highly targeted audience. Competitor analysis. Want to know what keywords your competitor are ranking for? ChatGPT can analyze your competitors' content and provide insight into their keyword strategies. It's like having a spy who knows all your competitors' secrets. Seasonal keywords. Some keywords are like seasonal treats. They are popular during a specific time of the year. ChatGPT can identify seasonal keywords relevant to your business, helping you tailor your content for timely trends and events. Long-term keyword strategies. ChatGPT isn't just about quick wins. It can help you develop long-term keyword strategies. It considers the evolving landscape of search and suggests keywords that will remain relevant for years to come. Local SEO keywords. If you're a local business, targeting local keywords is essential. ChatGPT can assist in identifying location-specific keywords that boost your visibility in your area. It's like having a local tour guide for your website. User intent analysis. Understanding user intent is crucial for keyword selection. ChatGPT can analyze user intent behind a specific keywords and suggest content ideas that align with what your audience is looking for. SEO-friendly content ideas. Lastly, ChatGPT doesn't stop at keywords. It can also provide content ideas based on those keywords. It's like having a content generator that aligns with your SEO strategy, ensuring your content is both informative and entertaining. In this section, we've uncovered how ChatGPT can revolutionize your keyword research process. Say goodbye to the tedious keyword hunt and hello to a world of creative and humorous keyword suggestions. With ChatGPT as your keyword partner, your SEO strategy is bound to reach new heights. ChatGPT SEO writing tips. Now that we have explored how ChatGPT can assist you in the world of SEO, let's roll up our sleeve and dive into the art of SEO writing. In this section, we'll provide you with the practical examples and tips to ensure you get the best results when crafting content with ChatGPT. Balance keywords naturally. Before, our top-notch pizza restaurant offers the best pizza in town. Our pizza menu has a variety of pizza options. If you are looking for pizza, our pizza place is the best. After, at our pizza restaurant, we serve the most mouth-watering pizzas in town with a diverse pizza menu to choose from. You'll sure to find the perfect pizza for your cravings. You see the difference. Write engaging meta description. Before ChatGPT, pizza restaurant, menu, reviews, locations, best pizza place. After ChatGPT, discover a pizza paradise at our restaurant. Irresistible flavors, rave reviews, convenient location. Use subheadings effectively. Before ChatGPT, no subheading. After that, a slice of history, our pizza journey, our delectable pizza menu, customer reviews that speak volumes. Find us easily in the heart of the city. Avoid keyword stuffing. Before ChatGPT, if you are in the mood for pizza, come to our pizza restaurant. Our pizza chefs make the best pizza in town, and our pizza toppings are of the highest quality. Visit our pizza place today for the best pizza experience. After ChatGPT, craving pizza? Look no further than our restaurant. Our skilled chefs create mouth-watering pizzas with top-quality toppings. Come savor the best pizza in town at our place. Making content readable. Before ChatGPT, long paragraphs without breaks. After ChatGPT, are you a pizza lover? We've got you covered. At our restaurant, we are passionate about crafting delectable pizzas that satisfy your cravings. Our menu boasts a widely variety of options, from classic margaritas to exotic veggies delights. And the best part? We are located right in the heart of the city for your convenience. Address user queries. Before ChatGPT, no user questions answered. After, what makes your pizza unique? Our pizza is unique because we use only the freshest ingredients, hand-tossed dough, and secret family recipes passed down through generations. Question: do you offer gluten-free pizza options? Yes, we cater to all dietary preferences, including gluten-free crust and vegan cheese options. Injecting humor. Before ChatGPT, you could do it, but it was hard. After ChatGPT, this, you, cozy at home, browsing our menu, and suddenly, your taste buds start a standing ovation. That's the magic of our pizzas. They make taste buds break into applause. Create shareable content. Before ChatGPT, no call to action. After, love our pizzas? Share the pizza love with your friends. Click the share button and let them in on the tastiest secret in town. By following these examples and tips, you can harness the full potential of ChatGPT to create engaging SEO-optimized content that not only ranks high in search engines, but also resonates with your audience. SEO writing doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be both effective and enjoyable with the help of ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later.